Hello and welcome to the PASSIONOY channel, where every video is created in love, driven by passion, and fueled by joy. We're thrilled you're here. Your PASSIONOY journey to deeper, more fulfilling relationships starts now. Welcome back to all our club elites and VIPs. Today, we're talking about emotional intimacy, and this might be one of the most powerful topics we've covered. In a world that often focuses on physical attraction, it's easy to forget that real, lasting relationships are built on deeper foundations. Foundations like trust, understanding, and emotional connection. Emotional intimacy isn't just a nice-to-have feature in a relationship. It's the glue that holds a relationship together through thick and thin. Imagine having a partner who truly knows your heart. A person you can share your dreams with, your fears, and even the parts of yourself that feel vulnerable or imperfect. Emotional intimacy is the pathway to creating a bond that goes beyond the surface, a bond that lasts. And today, we're going to show you exactly why it matters and how you can cultivate it in your own relationship. Quick heads up. At the end of this video, there's a surprise bonus that's going to take your connection to a whole new level. Can't spill the beans just yet, but trust me, you'll want to stay tuned. In today's video, we're exploring what it means to be truly close to someone, beyond just physical attraction. Emotional intimacy is the ability to connect on a soul-deep level, where you feel secure, understood, and valued for who you really are. It's about being able to share yourself openly and completely, knowing that your partner supports you. Think of emotional intimacy as a foundation, a place where both partners feel seen and heard, with no masks, no pretense, and no walls. When you have emotional intimacy, you're creating a relationship where you can be vulnerable and still feel safe. Imagine being able to share anything and everything, knowing that your partner isn't just listening, but understanding and embracing every part of you. Imagine a relationship where you and your partner feel connected on every level. Emotional intimacy brings you closer in ways that physical attraction alone can't. It's like a secret language that only the two of you share, where each word, touch, and gesture brings you closer together. Emotional intimacy is becoming the real relationship goal because people are realizing that physical attraction can only take a relationship so far. When life gets challenging, it's emotional intimacy that keeps partners connected, resilient, and supportive of each other. Here's why emotional intimacy is essential in today's relationships. 1. A foundation of trust and security. Unlike attraction, which can fade over time, emotional intimacy builds a sense of security. It's about knowing that no matter what, your partner is there for you. This type of bond makes it easier to be honest and vulnerable because you trust that you won't be judged or criticized. 2. Lasting connection. While attraction might feel exciting, emotional intimacy provides a kind of comfort and connection that lasts. It's a bond that grows deeper over time, making your relationship more meaningful and fulfilling. 3. Better communication and fewer misunderstandings. When you're emotionally close, misunderstandings decrease. You learn to interpret each other's moods, support each other in ways that matter, and communicate openly without fear. This openness brings a sense of balance, making your relationship a safe haven. Building emotional intimacy starts with knowing yourself and being willing to open up. When you connect deeply with who you are, you're better able to connect with your partner in a meaningful, lasting way. So, how do you know if you're truly emotionally intimate with your partner? Emotional intimacy isn't just about being physically close. It's about feeling safe, valued, and seen. Here are the signs of a relationship with true emotional intimacy. 1. Open communication. You feel comfortable sharing your thoughts and feelings no matter how vulnerable or raw. Your partner listens, supports, and never judges you. Open communication builds a bond where you feel understood and appreciated. 2, empathy and understanding. You're able to see things from each other's perspective, even during disagreements. Empathy isn't about always agreeing, but about genuinely trying to understand where your partner is coming from. 3, mutual trust and respect. There's a sense of safety and respect in the relationship. You don't have to pretend or hold back because you know your partner values you for who you are. 4, willingness to be vulnerable. When you're emotionally close, you can let your guard down. You share parts of yourself that you might not show anyone else, creating a bond that goes beyond the surface. Relationship booster number 3. Recognizing emotional intimacy is like unlocking a new level of connection. When you understand each other on this level, your relationship transforms from a surface level connection into something truly meaningful. Section 4, how to build emotional intimacy in your relationship. Now that we understand why emotional intimacy is so important, let's dive into some practical ways you can start building it with your partner. 1, practice active listening. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to connect is by truly listening. Set aside distractions, make eye contact, and focus entirely on your partner. Show them you care by listening to understand. Bond. 2, share your inner thoughts and feelings. Open up about your dreams, your fears, and your goals. This isn't about having every answer. It's about being honest and open, letting your partner see the real you. 3, create regular check-ins. Once a week, take time to check in with each other emotionally. Ask how your partner is feeling, what they need, and how you can support each other. These check-ins build a foundation of trust and understanding. 4, express appreciation and gratitude. A simple thank you goes a long way. Make it a habit to show appreciation for your partner's efforts, qualities, and presence. Gratitude brings a warmth that strengthens emotional bonds. Relationship booster number 4. Building emotional intimacy is like adding layers to your relationship. Every moment of connection, every honest conversation, and every shared feeling strengthens the bond you share. Emotional intimacy isn't a one-time achievement. It's something that grows and evolves. Life changes, people grow, and so do relationships. To keep your bond strong, it's essential to adapt to these changes and support each other through different seasons of life. The power of adaptation. Adapting means being present and recognizing when your partner needs extra support or reassurance. Maybe they're going through a difficult time or they're excited about a new opportunity. Whatever it is, your willingness to adapt shows that you're committed to growing together. Examples of adapting. Sometimes life requires us to adjust. Be willing to support your partner's needs even when they shift and celebrate each other's growth along the way. As life changes, so do emotional needs. Maybe your partner needs more quality time or a bit of extra encouragement. Tuning into these needs keeps your relationship resilient and balanced. Adaptability shows your partner that you're invested in their happiness and well-being. Being flexible and responsive to each other's needs keeps your bond strong, no matter what life throws your way. Emotional intimacy is more than just a feeling. It's an essential part of building a lasting relationship. When we prioritize understanding, empathy, and genuine connection, we create relationships that feel supportive, fulfilling, and deeply rewarding. Emotional intimacy transforms a relationship into a partnership where both people feel valued and seen. When you take the time to truly connect, to listen, and to open up, you're investing in a love that grows stronger over time. Let emotional intimacy be the foundation of your relationship, a place where you both feel safe, valued, and loved for who you truly are. Embracing emotional intimacy isn't just about understanding your partner. It's about creating a relationship where both of you feel deeply appreciated and supported. A relationship where love isn't just shown, but felt in every word. Here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. Your special bonus, enhance your emotional intimacy. 10 connection-building exercises for couples. This is like your ultimate toolkit to deepen your bond and spark even more connection. Click the link in the description and jump in, try these out, and watch your relationship thrive. Congratulations, you're one step closer to a better you. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. This helps us continue to make complimentary videos, and please share the video to help others live their best life. We look forward to reading your comments and responding. My purpose in life is to help others. God's love for us is our why at the PASSIONOY channel. Let's continue daily on a passion and joy-filled journey together, living our best lives. Join us today and become a Club PASSIONOY VIP. Someone living their life driven by passion and fueled by joy, with hopes to help you live your best life. Now, the PASSIONOY Life. Thank you for watching our video. Please check out all that our channel has to offer, from videos, shorts, our community tab, and our email newsletter subscription and blog links, simply because we care about you.